In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down list in Microsoft Access. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. In the beginning, open your Microsoft Access application so you can get started with your project. Once the program is open, locate and select the database file you intend to work on. This step is important because all the modifications will occur within this specific file. After opening your database, choose the table in which you would like to add a drop-down list. This table will serve as the basis for your data entry form, so take a moment to ensure you have the correct one selected. Next, you will change the table's view by performing a right-click. From the context menu that appears, click on the Design View option. Switching to Design View will allow you to make structural changes, such as adding new fields or altering the data types for existing fields. Now that you are in Design View, it is time to insert a new row. To do this, right-click again in the field area and choose the option to Insert Rows. This action will open up a new row where you can create a fresh field for your drop-down list. Enter a name for the new field. This name should reflect the purpose of the drop-down list or the kind of data you expect to be entered. Giving the field a thoughtful name will help you and others understand its function later. Once you have named the field, locate the data type column associated with it. Click on this area and select the Lookup Wizard option from the available choices. The Lookup Wizard helps you easily convert a text field into a drop-down list by guiding you through a series of options. Upon selecting the Lookup Wizard, you will be presented with several options. For this process, choose the second option provided. This choice is key to correctly defining the behavior of the drop-down list. After making your selection, click the next button to proceed. The wizard will now prompt you to enter the values that will appear in the drop-down list. Type in the values you want the user to have available when making a selection. Including clear and distinct choices will help ensure data consistency in your database. Once all values are entered, click Next once again to move forward in the configuration process. Now you will be asked to enter a name for this particular lookup setup. Provide a name that clearly describes the drop-down list or its intended use within the table. With the new name in place, click Finish to complete the wizard process. At this point, your drop-down list is successfully created and integrated into the table structure. Finally, review your results by navigating to the View options in the Access application. Click on the View menu and then select the Datasheet view to see your table in a user-friendly format. In Datasheet view, the drop-down list will be visible as a selectable option in the new field. This allows you to verify that all steps have been completed correctly and that the interface works as expected. This series of actions provides a straightforward method to add a drop-down list to your Microsoft Access table, ensuring that data entry is both controlled and efficient throughout your application.